Hey everyone, this is a week where these two cars have nothing in common, but I'm here just kind of get some cars out of my queue. First up, Autoart Composite. This is a BAC mono. Pretty sure it's not even street legal in this country. This is along the vein of, an Ariel Atom, a properly purpose-built track car is how I describe it. I just think they look neat. This, of course, by Autoart Composite, so at least maybe it's not. Maybe it's not composite. Maybe it's actually metal. There's so little of it. Really, not much to see on this car. Not much of an interior. You've got rubber seat belts. Good wheel and tire detail. You won't see anything underneath because it's just flat. There is almost nothing that opens, just this which reveals, scale hinges, which is nice. And the suspension workings and a little cubby just to fit, I guess, a helmet. Pretty neat car overall. This came from Replicars during their sale. It's actually still on sale. I think this was 89 bucks. Retails about $179, which I don't think is worth, but $89 at that price, I'm not mad at it. Typical Autoart packaging. You get your little note that shows how to open the top and how to remove. Typical of Autoart, how to remove from the base. Nothing too exciting. Next up, we have a Cadillac SUV. I'm a little late on this video because I'm excited to say I started a new job. I'm a Cadillac man. I'm at General Motors on a Cadillac program, and we had a release last night into this morning, so I was working late last night. My apologies. This is a XT5. This is a dealer edition, which means it's typical of the Chinese market. This is fully opening diecast, which is a treat these days. This has a 2-liter Turbo 4, which China got from the beginning. We didn't start getting the 2-liter Turbo 4 till 2020. You do have dog legs for the opening of the hood. The grille isn't open, but it's pretty well detailed. Wheels and tires are pretty good. You do have fold-in mirrors, which is always nice. You have a working sunroof. There's something about the Chinese models, dealership models, they really do like giving you working sunroofs. Kind of neat. Interior detail is reasonably good. You have carpeting, of course, and the rear doors open as well, which is not always a given. You have an opening hatch. Parcel shelf does not move up, but you do have a carpeted hatch. You have obviously full detail underneath like you'd want in a diecast. Paint's decent, not flawless, typical for a Chinese model. You do have an opening gas cap, which is of course very awkward to open. I will try real quick for the camera. Not exactly easy to open, but you can tell it does in fact open. There we go. Success. Opening gas cap. Packaging, typical dealer model. All black packaging. Sealed box. Nothing too exciting there. Now this would have retailed for about $189, $159 on eBay. I think I got it for about 60, 70 bucks free shipping. Again, at that price, I'm certainly not mad at it. So there you go. That's it for this week. I think I bought like 9 different Fords. So there's going to be a lot of kind of boring Ford hatchback content coming soon. I'll try and break it up, but tune in next week, like and subscribe.